Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 and Gold podcast for July 29th going into the 30th. I'm going to start off with the S&P 500 index. Went out pretty bearish here today. Overall, we've been bullish since 3502. We've seen 4,130.25 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. I'm not going to get into all those. Those are all on hold. The break below 76.29 and a quarter had brought in 397 of pressure. That's off hold. And the failure back below 74.8175 warned of pressure. We've seen pressure now down to 73.24. We had a bit of a chop today. We had broken below this formation right here. That came in around 74.3194. I had said to get bearish below that, and that saw pressure down to 73.7175 before breaking back above it and failing down below it again. The failure back below it is bearish, and then the failure back below this line is bearish as well. If we were to trade back above this formation, which comes in at 74.8120, minus 65 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Wednesday night. That'll warrant of decent strength for at least 130 points. And that's a well-formed formation as well. A maintained gap lower tomorrow would be bearish as well. Okay, on to the gold. Gold also had some whip arounds. I would also note that I'm going to be talking about the December contract, which we've rolled into. So if you haven't rolled yet, make sure you rolled into it. We've been bullish since August 16, 2018 from 1183. We've seen 4,443.1 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here I won't get into. Those are all on hold. We held exhaustion with the 56.2680 high and rolled over 1,671.4. That's on hold also. Then we have some medium time frame calls in here. I'm not going to get into all those right now. In the December contract, though, let me just go back to the August contract. The August contract, we had broken above this formation right here, which came in at 40.5660, which I said to get bullish above. We saw strength up to 41.1520, but then we failed back below this formation right here, which came in at 40.8010. Plus 5.5 per hour. The failure back below that now warrants pressure. Now, that was in the August contract. We are now in the December contract. This is the December contract I'm showing you here. We fell below a similar formation in there. And that contract, that line is going to come in at 41.34. And that increases 5.5 per hour. The decent trade back above that will negate the bearishness from below it and reestablish the bullishness from the break above this line. Decent trade above this formation up here, which is going to come in at 41.7560. Minus 4 per hour, starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Wednesday. That'll warrant a decent strength as well. And on an overall basis, I would just note here, I had said that we'd held macro exhaustion with the 39.5540 low and bounced 260.1. And if this holds, this will start a bona fide bullish correction, the minimum target of which is 49.6360. So that was a couple contracts ago. This still stands. It's on hold. And that low is the 40.1560 low in December. That would be the equivalent low. But this is based off of a continuation contract also. So this possibility is still there, even though it is on hold currently. And a maintained gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor bullish reversal below. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next podcast.